how you can make $500 per day as a beginner on ClickBank with affiliate marketing using TikTok ads or Google ads or Facebook ads. Now, it doesn't matter what platform you're using, the secret is this. You have maybe tried to buy every ebook, every course on ClickBank from every millionaire guru teaching you how to make money online. And you failed. And the reason you failed is this. You tried everything. You tried to set up Google ads, you tried to set up YouTube ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and you got your account disabled. Your ads rejected. And then you didn't know what to do, right? And that's what happened to me 8 years ago. 8 years ago in the past, when I was trying to make money online. Same like you. Yeah, my friend, you watching this video right now. I was trying to make money online to take care of myself, to take care of my parents, my family, my kid, my wife, and I couldn't make it until I found a person who was there for me to help me over Zoom calls, over one-on-one Teamweaver, to help me set up ad accounts, to show me how copy is done with ads, how psychology of ads works, why you cannot just put some ugly page on ClickFunnels and hope it converts. It doesn't work that way. Okay? Yeah, it's easy, it's simple. But once you have someone who can help you along the way, then, my friend, you can make really, really good money. Okay? And I'm not promising you in this video millions. No. I'm saying if you're serious, if you have 1 hour per day, yes, then you can make $300 to $700 per day profit on ClickBank or MaxApp or any other affiliate network. Okay, there are so many affiliate networks out there who want to give you money, cash, cold cash, if you give them a sale or the leads. Okay, like pay-per-call campaigns, right? Nutra, weight loss, CPA affiliate marketing. It's so many options out there. But the secret is this. You need a friend. You need someone who can help you along the way, step by step. That's why I'm sharing with you my lifestyle on Instagram, on my IG, my Instagram stories, my profile grid. I'm always sharing when I go to Dubai, Bali, Thailand, Australia, USA, Europe, Italy, Santorini, Greece, Turkey. I always share it with you because the only reason I'm able to do this is because I had a gut to trust myself, to invest money in my mentor, in my coaching, to have someone show me the way and help me along the way. That's the most important thing. And the reason I'm so excited about this is because I'm trying to give you the input for 2024. If you want to get results, go and follow someone whose results you want. If you want to be stuck in office in California, Las Vegas, for 16 hours and go and do your damn thing. Don't come to me. I love freedom. I love to travel with my wife, with my kids all around the world, have time and peace. And that's the most important thing about ClickBank affiliate marketing. So if you really want to get results, okay, if you really want to win at this game, then let me know. Connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, email, whatever. The links are in the description below this video. But only if you're serious, if you have some money to invest in yourself to really, really make this business something that you're gonna make your kids proud, you proud, and your wife proud. Or your husband proud, I don't know. Right? But really, I'm excited for you. It's coming from my heart. I hope you can feel this. Because in 2024, I'm sick and tired of fakeness. If you wanna live the life like most of gurus on ClickBank, behind the scenes, on laptop, in the office, no, I don't want this life. I want the freedom to travel all around the world, to give my family, my parents the best they can deserve. If you really want to have this life, let me know. Connect with me and I will personally help you to get results.